So economics is not really a topic that clicks well with me, which is unfortunate because it is an equally important pillar of sustainability. But an interest in learning how to be a better steward of the environment led me to seek out a sustainability major. Environmental economics is the economic subset that immediately clicked with me. Makes sense that we should match the cost of goods in proportion to the natural resources that they deplete or pollute. I don't think I could find a definition of ecological economics that really made sense to me or helped me understand exactly what it was, but I imagine it has something to do with internalizing the social and environmental externalities, as was discussed in the lecture. I think this means the cost of goods would be proportionate to the cost of environmental and social externalities, whether positive or negative. And if that's semi-correct, then I really do believe that we should be working towards developing an ecological economy. It's just really hard to imagine ever getting there because it feels as if things like hyperconsumerism and retail therapy and fast fashion are in high demand right now. A lot of people are also getting laid off and having hour cuts. So everyone wants a lot of things for very cheap, and demand is supporting harmful production habits. Our book discussed on page 474 that the stability of regime structure makes it difficult for innovation to survive. So even if we were able to transition so that negative externalities cost producers and consumers more and positive externalities cost producers and consumers less, natural resources and human capital cost more than is calculated into the cost of our goods today. So I think that transitioning to ecological economics would be hard because it increases costs for producers and consumers, which no one really wants right now. Our book goes on to mention that when stable regime structures break down, windows of opportunity open. Perhaps with the way the US seems to be entering a recession, maybe we're seeing a regime breakdown, and maybe with increased consumer knowledge and concern, we'll see a window of opportunity for a more ecologically based economy to arise.